Today I'm gonna show you how to get the best knives you possibly can have, and in the process possibly save you hundreds of dollars. But before, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more good stuff.
Are you tired of plastic knives not cutting very well? Are you tired of metal knives not cutting very well?
Dun, dun, dun.
Are you tired of going twice the speed without success? Do you want to easily cut yourself some plastic wrapping slices when you are hungry but don't actually want to eat the steak? Well, look no further. The Dunk Shot Sharpening Stone is what you've been waiting for. Let me show you how to use it. This kit comes with the stone itself, a 400 and 1000 grit side, a white rough stone, a silicone gasket and a wooden base, as well as some instructions, badly translated instructions, which you can expect with a $25 kit. Soak the stone in warm water for 5 to 15 minutes before using it. First, use the white stone on very badly used knife to reduce the burrs and scratches along the sharp part of the blade. Sharpen the knives on the stone in a sweeping motion, while making sure to use most of the stone for it to stay level. Be careful not to push too hard on the blade or you might bite into the stone and score it like I did a couple times during the video. Be sure to find a way for the little white stone to hold well. I finally just stuck it to the side of the pot and it held good. It probably is better if you have a damp cloth under it, like you will see later. Switch side of the stone once a while to avoid using one side too much. Always keep the stone wet, it will help prolong its life. Take the bigger stone and put the 400 grit side up, placing the gasket between the rock and the stone like you see here. Sweep the blade at an angle of around 20 degrees or try to fit best the angle of the blade you have. Practice makes perfect. Rotate the rock ever so often to keep as much as possible a nice, smooth top. Once the blade has a good sharp edge, turn the stone to the 1000 grit side and repeat the previous step. It will allow your blade to become even sharper and smoother. Points to keep in mind. Keep the angle consistent, fit the angle of the blade. Don't really worry about angles. Do the same number of strokes each side. Use equal pressure all along the blade. Check safely the blade's status. Do not wipe the residue on the stone, it can improve the sharpening process. Always keep the stone wet. As you can see, only 10 minutes per knife and it can cut the thing it wasn't able to cut earlier. What a deal!
I hope this proved to you that for the price of another knife and a bit of elbow grease, you too can save a bit of money, plus learn a valuable life skill. Never be let down by your knives again. Thanks for watching, I greatly appreciate it. If you liked it, like the video. If not, tell me in the comments why. Have a nice day, and see you in the next one.